Workout S. 2 tap step ball changes forward, 2 tap step ball changes backwards, brushing back. Remember, if you've got lots of room, make them really big, really travelling. The more you travel, the more exercise you will have. So let's go from the beginning. 2 forward, 2 back, then we'll repeat it, 2 forwards, 2 back. 2 tap step ball changes forward, 2 tap step ball changes back, 2 tap step ball changes forward, 2 tap step ball changes back. Then we have 4 tap spring shuffle ball changes. Tap spring shuffle ball change, tap spring shuffle ball change, tap spring shuffle ball change, tap spring shuffle ball change. 4 tap spring shuffle hops. Tap spring shuffle hop, tap spring shuffle hop, tap spring shuffle hop, tap spring shuffle hop. 2 tap step ball changes forward, 2 back, 2 forward, 2 back. 4 tap spring shuffle ball changes. 4 tap spring shuffle hops. And again, don't forget to add arms to it if you want the full body workout. And play this bit as many times as you like before continuing with the music. Workout T. Shuffle forward, side, ball change, tap spring. Forward, side, ball change, tap spring. We're going to do that 4 times. Forward, side, ball change, tap spring. Forward, side, ball change, tap spring. Forward, side, ball change, tap spring. Then 3 times we're going to do tap spring, toe hop, ball change, tap spring. 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 And then finish with a triple time step. Again, if you don't know how to do this, look in my links in the description below where I have a whole video on it. And then we'll start on the left foot. Shuffle forward, side, ball change, tap spring 4 times. Forward, side, ball change, tap spring. 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 3 times, tap spring, toe hop, ball change, tap spring. and a triple time step. Let's mark it one more time. Shuffle, forward, side, ball change, tap, spring. 4 times. Three times, tap, spring, toe hop, ball change, tap, spring. And a triple time step. There aren't the pauses in between, that's so I don't do a whole mishmash and you're trying to follow. So my demonstration, I try and sometimes pause if it's a little bit of a combination. Let's try with the music. Tap workout U. Nice and easy this one. Tap front side, so just straight taps. Front side. Ball change, stamp together. And 2 double heel beats, so both of the heels banging down at the same time. Then we repeat it all from the other beginning. Tap front side. Ball change, stamp together, double heel beats twice. Let's do that again. Front side, ball change, stamp, double. Front side, ball change, stamp, double. Then we're going to jump apart and a double heel beat, in double heel beat, jump out double heel beat, jump in double heel beat. So from the beginning up to there. Front side, ball change, stamp, double. Front side, ball change, stamp, double. Out, heel, in, heels, out, heels, in, heels. And then we're finishing off with ball heels. One going to the front, left foot going to the back, ball, heel, right foot to the side, ball, heel, left foot to the side, ball, heel, right foot forward, ball, heel, left foot back, ball, heel, right foot side, ball, heel, left foot side, ball, heel. Let's go from the beginning. Tap, front side, ball change, stamp, double. Front side, ball change, stamp, double. Out, heels, in, heels, out, heels, in, heels, ball heel forward, back, side, forward, back, side. Let's try with some music.